Hello, welcome to day 19 of 1001 Days of New. Yesterday I did not put out a video because I was doing needle felting, and I was doing it on my bed for some reason. So when I had the camera set up, every time I stabbed at the felt with the needles, it would like rock the camera up and down like this. Not wanting to give everybody seasickness, I decided to not put out a video, but this is what I made. So this is little needle felted pupper dog, and it's in the image of my own pupper dog, Wednesday. And she doesn't have any eyes because I didn't have any dark brown felt, so she's sort of eyeless, which is okay. But she got her little flippity ears, which I think is super cute, and her little white toeses, which is also super cute. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. I kind of love to touch it. But it took forever, and I stabbed myself a lot, and I did not enjoy that. But overall, good experience. Okay, he's going back there. She's going back there. So today, because yesterday was such a bear of a project, I decided I'm going to make today's pretty simple. I'm going to do some origami. Now, I've done origami before, mostly origami cranes, but there are certain types of origami that I've never done, and there's many patterns, origami patterns, that I've never done. So today I decided I was going to try this sort of modular origami. It's kind where you take several origami shapes and you glue them together, and then you can do this, like, you can like mess with it and like twist it into different shapes. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to need 3, 6, 8 sheets, I guess. So I have to figure out which colors I want to go with. Do I want to go with rainbows, or do I want to like have a theme, like a blue theme? You know what, let's just do a rainbow. Okay, found the colors that I want. So I've got red. Eek. What a mess. What a mess. Oh, there's more than one red. Okay, so there's sort of magenta, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, sort of dark blue, and it's not really indigo. It's supposed to be indigo, but that's not really indigo. That's dark blue, and violet, or purple. So there we go. This is what we're going to use. Let's start with this guy. I'm going to start by making some creases in this guy. Lengthways, and then other lengthways. Then I'm going to bring the corners into the center, like so. Come on now. Like so. Okay, next, I'm going to open this up and then put this point into that seam, and then fold that in again. Same thing over here, and do that all the way around. I usually act like I know what I'm doing, but I'm in fact following a tutorial, so we'll see how well this actually works out. Okay, and goes like that, and you know, try not to be like me and leave these bad corners. Okay, here we go. Lovely. And then you turn the piece over and you bring the corners together into the center like that. All the way around like that. And then when you turn it back over again, this is how it looks. That's what it looks. Now that it's like this, you want to sort of like just, you know, fold it and make it like that. And then do the same thing. Just again, you're just sort of creating these like creases like that. And then you need to like push it together. Okay, so that it looks like this, and then you fold it like this. And it creates this kind of heart shape. Okay. And you do that 7 more times. Now that they're all done, they have to be glued together. I've got my Zig glue pen here. So it's good fun. Glue is blue when it is goo, I guess. All right. And, put you on there. I'm gonna give that some time to dry before I glue it at the ends on the other end, whatever with the glue in. Switching over to voiceover now because I left the television on when I was filming. And basically I'm just gluing the ends together to make it into a circle. And then I hold it for a bit just to let the glue set. And then I start messing around. And it takes a while for me to figure out which way to flip it and how best to do that without swearing. But I finally figure it out, and even then it's still kind of awkward, but it does what it's supposed to do. And it's a pretty rainbow color, so that's always fun. All right, so that's pretty much it. That is day 19 of 1001 Days of New. And figure out what I'm going to do tomorrow. All right, have a good night.